For those people who don't have like the flower district or don't have like a resale license to get anything, your best bet is hello my lovely flower, it's me Nia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today I'm going to be talking to my DIY brides or anybody who's having an event and want to do flowers for their self. So one of the main things that I always get is, where do I get my flowers from? For like me, I'm in California or Los Angeles, and so the downtown flower district is open to the public. You just don't get the you have to pay sales tax. Or there's like a local florist out here, I mean a local wholesaler. He also sells to the general public, but at a higher price. Like I have a discounted price compared to what the general public has. But for those people who don't have like the flower district or don't have like a resale license to get anything, your best bet is Trader Joe's. So I wanted to let you guys know, one of the things that you can use if you're doing your own wedding flowers, or maybe say doing flowers for just a dinner party or whatnot, your best bet, and they have amazing flowers. They're usually locally grown. And I know they're usually locally grown because, oh my gosh, during Valentine's Day, they had some of the best hydrangeas I had ever seen. Like the hydrangeas that I ended up getting were so little compared to what Trader Joe's was selling, because they were locally grown, where mine came from Ecuador. I think it was Ecuador or Colombia, one of the two. And what a lot of times is growers will cut when they're too little, so they haven't fully grown. So it was like, it was horrible. So I ended up spending a lot more on my flowers than what I had anticipated, because of the fact that my hydrangeas were this size when they're normally, you know, almost the size of a head, my head. So it was ridiculous. But what I have learned, and don't quote me, but I will go into your local Trader Joe's and speak to the person who's in charge of floral department. Now, I have talked to one of my staff members. He does work at Trader Joe's, and he has said, like, a lot of times if you talk to them and ask them for like, can I get this amount? Can you bring it in this amount? They will order it specially for you. I think they just don't do it when it's like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or stuff like that. I think some of the holidays. But your best bet is to go into Trader Joe's and just find out what, you know, speak to the florist there, the person in charge of floral, and find out what they can order from you and what they can't. Like I said, the two Trader Joe's that I have visited, they both said that they will place orders for us. They just don't place orders for me for certain things, just not at a certain time. Because let me tell you, during peony season and tulip season, I swear, Trader Joe's is so much cheaper than me buying them down at wholesale. I swear. And even though, like when I say cheaper, they are cheaper. And people always like, well, you know, this and that. No, babe. When I get them from wholesaler, they're so expensive compared to what Trader Joe's have. And I think because, one, they're buying in such large quantity, even though downtown LA or the flower district does get them in large quantities, they're getting a better deal. And two, I just don't know. I don't know what the clue is. But that is one of my tips about if you are doing your own wedding flowers and you need some place to buy them wholesale. All right, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I have another video coming up, and I'm going to be talking about how to take care of those flowers that you get from Trader Joe's. Bye.